got old and gross handlebar grips. Well, now you can change them easily for $5. This is from Kmart. 2 BMX grips for diameter up to 22 millimeters. Comes in gray and green, I think. So always check it out. If it fit, and it fits like a glove. This diameter is indeed 22 millimeters. So let's cut it up and see how it goes. That took me like, I think like 5 minutes, 7 minutes. You definitely need a glove to give you extra grip. But man, that was hard. Whew. And that's just only one side. So yeah, you need to have a grip strength. Pull it in, but okay. It's not bad for $5. And it's not soft, but you know, if you need a good replacement, this I would recommend. Kmart. It's not going to come off anytime soon. Okay, let's do that side. And thanks for watching. Oh, what is it here? Oh, soap grips in warm soapy water. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yes, please soak it in warm soapy water for several minutes so you'll glide easily. Oh my god. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.